Woo! Hey, Magic Mack here with ProTinkerToys.com. I have a cap gun I've been wanting to show you for a while. This is the Police 9mm Beretta 8-shot cap gun by Gonher Cap Guns. This is available here at ProTinkerToys.com. All right, it is an 8-shot. This is a smaller cap gun, right? From the tip, from the orange tip to the butt is 6 inches, and then from the sight to the bottom of it is 4 inches. So it's only 6 by 4. All right, this is item number 46/6. Now, this is a replica of the 9mm, and the 9mm is the standard issued handgun for all law enforcement and military members of the United States, right? And it's been that way since like 1985. The replica of this, the 9mm, has been around since Operation Just Cause. This was in Kosovo. This was in the Persian Gulf. This was in Afghanistan from 2001 to 2021. This was in the Iraq War. This was also in the Russo-Ukrainian conflict that's currently going on. So this has seen many years of service, right? Pretty soon they're going to actually phase it out. But if you have a family member in law enforcement and or in the military and you want to dress up for them as Halloween or do some cosplay, this is the gun that you would get, 9mm. It's known for its reliability and accuracy. So that's a little bit about the gun itself. Let's talk about the replica. The replica is an enclosed system, right? So that meaning it's just up or down like this, okay? And it's got a plastic hammer right there. So that's the thing. See that plastic hammer right there? That's what does the percussion, right? And then it's got the 8-shot right there, okay? What's nice is you can take that out, put it in, and then close it, supposedly. I gotta get another one. That one broke. Uno mas. All right, here we go. Trying again. All right, so this is an 8-shot cap gun. It's mainly a replica and less of a cap gun. Let's try it out. Yeah, it's more just a replica. It's more for looks. This is all die cast right here. All die cast. Only the handle, the grip right here is plastic. And it's actually an improvement because you won't drop it, right? It's got a good grip on it. Let's try one more. Ooh, I got a little bit. But this is an 8-shot. You get 196 of them right now when you buy the caps. So you get a lot of caps. You got a lot of bang for your buck on this cap. But is an 8-shot for the 9mm. Is available here at ProTinkerToys.com. It is a replica of the 9mm, which is the current standard issued handgun. It's a great gun. I'm gonna face can I face that towards you? You can see that. And then I'll do it like this. It's just a great replica. I mean, the attention to detail. And let's talk about maintenance of it real quick too. So it's got this this oil hole, right? And if that's probably what I need to do why it's not, hitting the percussion, is it just needs some oil. Any gun oil will do. You do it right there. You do it right there, right in there. And then you kind of have to clean this out and do it right in the center. See this right here? On either side, it needs some gun oil, right? And you always want to make sure that this is clean. I like to take a flathead and just like this, I will clean it out. Because the problem with the enclosed system as opposed to the revolver is the little explosion or the percussion has nowhere to go. So could actually just kind of jam the percussion area and you'll have to clean it out. So it doesn't take too long. And a little oil